Bonjour. Yes, I am recording from home, and we are going to go over some things about le couvert and then also les prépositions. Let me just adjust this slide. Bad, I know. Bad, madame. Bad, bad, bad. Okay. So what we're doing here is we are going to go over this, and then after this, we will do the prepositions. So yesterday we did things about le couvert. Now, when we talk about le couvert, we're talking about place settings, what the table looks like, and things like that. So I want you to practice saying these things. Here we go. Okay, so, alors, répétez s'il vous plaît. On va réviser le couvert. Okay, so une assiette, une fourchette, un couteau, une cuillère, une tasse de café. So there is une tasse. Une tasse is a mug or a cup, and because there's coffee in it, we will call this a coffee cup. So une tasse de café, or a cup of coffee too would be une tasse de café. Okay. Un verre d'eau. Okay. If this was filled with milk, it would be un verre de lait. If it was a glass full of pop, it would be un verre de coca. Une serviette. Une nappe. Okay, so the nappe refers to the tablecloth. Alors, mettre le couvert, on met le couvert. Mettre la table, on met la table. Okay? So, mettre le couvert et mettre la table both mean the same thing, which means to set the table. Alright, now we are into prepositions. So, on va commencer sur. On met la nappe sur la table. Okay? So now think about it. What do you think that word sur means? Sur means on. Dans. Dans le couvert, il y a une assiette, une fourchette, une cuillère, un couteau, un verre, une tasse et une serviette. Dans. What does dans mean in this context? Yes, it means in. À gauche de. La fourchette est à gauche de l'assiette. What does it mean? Look at where the fork is. Yes, it means to the left of. So the fork is to the left of the plate. À droite de. Le couteau et la cuillère sont à droite de l'assiette. Okay. So, le couteau, la cuillère sont à droite. So they're to the right. À côté de. La cuillère est à côté du couteau. So what do you think it means? Where is the spoon in relation to the knife? That is correct. The spoon is next to the knife. Près de. La verre est près de l'assiette. La verre est près de l'assiette. So, what does it mean? Right, la verre est près de l'assiette. It is near the plate. So it's nearby and a little bit up. Loin de. La fourchette est loin de la cuillère. All right, I know that is stretching it a little bit, but it does show that the fork is far from the spoon. So you would never have the fork near the spoon or next to the spoon. Sous. L'assiette est sous la verre. L'assiette est sous la verre. Right. The plate is under the glass. There's another one. L'assiette est sous la tasse. L'assiette est sous la tasse. Okay. In this picture, the plate is under the cup. Entre. L'assiette est entre la fourchette et le couteau. L'assiette est entre la fourchette et le couteau. That is correct. The plate is between the fork and the knife. En face. La famille est en face du couvert. La famille est en face du couvert. Got it. Okay, now this is a little bit of a stretch, I know, again. But it's saying the family is across from the place settings and the table settings, so that you are looking right at the place settings. So you're across from it. You're sitting, when you sit down at the table, you sit across from the place setting. Devant. Le couvert est devant la famille. So the place settings are in front of the family. Derrière. La famille est derrière le couvert. Okay, again, a little bit of a stretch, but it's saying the family is behind the place settings. Où mettons la serviette? La serviette peut mettre sous l'assiette. La serviette peut mettre sous l'assiette. So the napkin can be put under the plate. La serviette peut être dans l'assiette. What do you see here? Yes, the napkin can be in the plate. Ou à droite ou à gauche de l'assiette. So, ou à droite de l'assiette ou à gauche de l'assiette. So over here, just so you see, on top, it's more like an informal kind of place setting. In France, for like an informal occasion, and down here you have the formal occasion. The way you know that this is the formal place setting, it's not just because you have three salads, three different plates. Look at how the fork is positioned here. The fork is actually turned over. Okay. So, just so you notice, as you saw with the words à droite de, à gauche de, à côté de, loin de, whenever, what you need to do here is you need to remember you have to use the contractions of de. So once again, the preposition de means of in this context, and when you are using an expression to say to the right of, or to the left of, or near, or far, you need to use the contractions that we learned with possession. So again, de and le make du, de and le make de and la mean de la, and de and l'apostrophe, you just leave it de l'apostrophe. So if you have any questions, remember de and l'apostrophe is used when you have a word that begins with a vowel. Doesn't matter with masculine or feminine. De la is used with feminine. De le is used with the plural, and then de le is with the du. And that's for masculine. So if you have any questions, please send me a chat in Teams, or please let me know. Okay. You can also ask me later on today. I will be checking in with you guys at Zoom at about 11:30 this morning.